Hello, welcome to the new video of Python interview hacks. Today we are going to see one more sorting technique, that is wiggle sort. So our problem statement is given an unsorted array nums, reorder it in place such that nums of 0 is less than or equals to nums of 1, nums of 1 is greater than or equals to nums of 2, and nums of 2 is less than or equals to nums of 3, and so on. So let's see the example first. So here we have an array that is 3, 5, 2, 1, 6, 4, and after sorting it, it is going to be 3, 5, 1, 6, 2, 4. So let's see if this satisfies our condition. So nums of 0 has to be less than or equals to nums of 1. So 3 is less than 5. Second is nums of 1 has to be greater than or equals to nums of 2. So 5 is greater than 1. Next, 1 is less than 6. 6 is greater than 2 and 2 is less than 4. So let's see how we are going to do this. So in the original array, we have 3, 5, 2, 1, 6, 4, where 3 is less than 5. So the condition is satisfied. The next condition is 5 is greater than 2. So the condition is satisfied. The next one is second number has to be less than or equals to third number. So here 2 is not less than or equals to 1. So we are going to swap these two numbers. So now our array will be 3, 5, 1, 2, 6, 4. So now it satisfies second element has to be less than or equals to third element. Now third element has to be greater than or equals to fourth element. So now 2 is not greater than or equals to 6. So that's why again we are going to swap these two numbers. So now array is going to be 3, 5, 1, 6, 2, 4. So now finally it satisfies all the conditions. 3 is less than 5. The first two pair has to be first number has to be less than second number. Second number has to be greater than or equals to third number. Third number has to be again less than or equals to fourth number. Fourth number has to be greater than or equals to fifth number, and fifth number has to be less than or equals to sixth number. So let's see how we can solve this. So here's one simple code for this. First of all, we are going to create a function. So here I am defining a function wiggle sort, and I am passing the list nums. So for I in range of, we are going to start our range from 1 because we are going to start uh, comparing two values from the first position, means first position comparing with zeroth position. So first till the end of the list. So that's why length of nums. Now we are going to check the condition for the indexes. So if the index is even, then we are going to check if nums of I is greater than nums of I minus 1. If the index is odd, we are going to check if nums of I is less than nums of I minus 1. So here we have written if I mod 2 equals 1 and nums of I is less than nums of I minus 1, or we are going to check one more condition. If I mod 2 equals 0 and nums of I is greater than nums of I minus 1, then we are going to swap those two values. So nums of I comma nums of I minus 1 equals to nums of I minus 1 comma nums of I. So it is very simple to swap two numbers in Python. So this is the way to do it. And finally we are going to return the nums. So let's run this program. So first we are going to pass a list 1, 2, 4, 3, and we are going to get the answer 1, 4, 2, 3. So zeroth index, no, element present at zeroth index has to be less than or equals to element at first index. So 1 is less than 4. Element present at first index has to be greater than or equals to element present at second index. So 4 is greater than 2. Then next is 2 is less than 3. So we have sorted this array. Next we have 3, 5, 2, 1, 6, 4. So here we are going to get the answer as 3, 5, 1, 6, 2, 4. And finally 152346, we will be getting answer as 152436. So this is a simple program of Wiggle Sort. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.